What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to turn off keyboard sound on your Redmi Note 13 5G. So first of all, open a app in which you can use keyboard. Now after opening the keyboard, tap on this settings icon. Now here tap on preferences, and then in preferences scroll down, and here you will see a sound on key press button. So if this button is enabled and you want to turn off keyboard sound, then tap on this button to turn it off. And after turning off this button, the keyboard will stop making sound. So that's how you can turn off keyboard sound on your Redmi Note 13 5G. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.